So the tourism industry has seen a significant growth in the last year post all the troubles we have faced, and we crossed little over 2 million people, and in January this year we have already had the highest ever arrival figures. So we're very confident that we can achieve more than 2.5. The government has set a target of 3 million people, but we are, I think as an industry, we are confident we can cross the 2.5 million mark. And there have been certain help also through the government by the reduction of the electricity tariffs by 31%, which is significant to help us reduce our operational costs. And we also hope that the upcoming budget will also have some reliefs which will help not only our industry but the general public to further improve our standards. And as an industry, we are confident that the hospitality industry will continue to thrive in the coming year and help to generate more foreign currency, which is the need for the country to ensure that we can get out of the financial trouble we are in.